Hello children, today I will teach you chapter 2 number word. Chapter 2 number word. This is chapter 2. In class prep, you learn the number names from 1 to 100. In this chapter, you have to write the number names. On the page number 15, you have to write number names 1 to 5. Here are the spellings of all the numbers are written here, which are called number names. You have to write in the same manner on your book. Now, in this question, what you have to do? You have to count the stars, then write the number, and after that you will write the number names. Like this. I am giving you one example how you will write on your book. How many stars are here? It is 1 star. Then you will write number 1 and the number name of 1. Number name of 1 is ONE 1. And these are 2 stars. So you will count these stars. These are 2 stars. You will write the number 2, then the number name 2. Like the same way, rest of the stars you will count, then you will write the name and their number names. Come on the page number, next page 6, page number 16. Here the numbers names are written from 6 to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will write in the same manner in the blank spaces on your book. In this picture, you have to do the same work. First of all, you have to count the number of balls. These are number of balls. These are 6 balls, and you will write the number name of 6. Rest of the balls you will count the numbers in the same way. Count the balls in the same way. Then you will write the number and their number names. Okay. And in this picture also you have to do in the same way. On the page number 70, what you have to do? You have to match. You have to match the pictures with their numbers. In first picture, what is drawn here? There are so many pictures. These are 2 shirts. So you will find the number of balls which are in number 2. These are 2 balls. Then you will match 2 shirts with 2 balls. 2 shirts with 2 balls. Now, these are pineapples. These are 4 pineapples. Then you will count the number of balls which are in number 4. These are 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will match the 4 pineapples. Rest of the pictures you have to do in the same way. In this also you have to do in the same way. Now, in this picture there is a little bit different work you have to do here. You have to count the number of objects in picture. What is this? These are balloons. Here are 2 balloons. Then you will find the number 2. Where it is written? It is written here. Then you will match the 2 balloons with number 2. And here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tumblers. 5 tumblers. Then you will find where is written 5. Number 5. You will match the number 5. This work also you will do in the same manner. Turn over the page. In this page, what you have to do? Here are some numbers are written here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, first of all, you will see the first number is 1. And you will check the picture which is drawn only 1. It is not 1, it is not 1, it is not 1. Only one picture is in number 1. Here, it is a cat. It is in number 1. Then you will match the number with number 1. Now the second number is 2. What the objects are in number 2? These are 2 flowers. You will match with number 2. You will match the picture of flowers with number of 2. Rest of the numbers you will do in the same manner. In this picture, what you have to do? You have to make a group of objects which are given here. Here are how many jugs are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jugs are here. But you have to make a group of 4 jugs only. So how you will make a group? I am giving you an example. Suppose you have 1, 2, 3. How many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But if I am telling you that you have to make a group of 4 balls, then what you will do? You will take 4 balls all together in a one group. How you will do? You will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take all these 4 balls together, and you will leave rest of the balls. You will not add rest of the balls in the group. So this is the group of 4 balls. It is a group of 4 balls. Like this. In other pictures, the numbers is written in the group. You will make a group. You will make 4 drums group. You will make 2 trees group. Here you will make 5 lamps group. In the same way, you will do with all these pictures. In this question, what you have to do? Color 5 balloons. You will count 5 balloons, then color them. In the same way, you have to color 4 flowers. You will count 4 flowers, then you will color them. Here 2 trees. Take any 2 trees, then color them. Turn over the page. All these pictures will also done by you in the same way. Here are on the page number 21. What is the question is written here? Count and write the answer in the circle. Here is a circle given to you. What you have to do? First of all, you have to count the pictures. Then you will write the number in this circle. How many fishes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will write the number 7 in this circle. Rest of the pictures, rest of the questions you will do in the same way. Turn over the page number 22. What you have to do? You can see here are so many collection of different types of objects. Okay? The first collection is the collection of water bottles. It is a collection of tumblers, 3 tumblers. It is a collection of balls. This is the collection of bats. This is a collection of flowers, 2 flowers. This is the collection of 3 butterflies, and so on. Then what you will do? You will count the number of objects, and then you will write the number here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will write here 4. 1, 2, 3. You will write here 3. As I done in this book, these are 4 tumblers. These are 6 balls. These are 2 flowers. So I have written the numbers. So you have to choose the collection which has more objects. So 4, 3, 6, 4, 2. Which has bigger number. That is more in collection. 4, 3, 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 8, 7. 8 is the biggest number. So this is the biggest objects collection. You will color it. You will color only collection of apples because it is more in number in comparison to other objects. Now come on page number 23. In page number 23, you will do it count and write. You know how to count and write. And on page number 24, these are the numbers before and after. In prep class, you learn about before and after. Before and after. In prep class, suppose this is 8th number. So what will come before number 8? The 7. The number 7 will come before 8, and the number 9 will come after 8. But you should know how to represent the numbers on number line. This is a line. I will make the numbers numbers like 0. Numbers always start from 0. 0 is the smallest number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and so on. You will draw many more numbers on the number lines. Suppose I choose the number 5. I chose the number 5. Which number comes before the 5? The number 4 will come before the 5. The left side of the number 9 is before. Remember this. The left side of the number 9 you will write before, and the right hand side of the number 9 will come. The right hand side number is 5. This is after the number 6. This is after the number 5. So you have to remember the left hand side on the number 9 is before and the right hand side the number 9 is after. On your book, one example has done for you. They have given number 8 and you have to write before and after numbers. Here, what is written here? It is written 6. It is 6 number. You will circle the number 6. Then you will check what comes before the 6 on the number 9. The number 5 comes before the 6. Then you will write here 5. And after 6, on the right hand side, the number 7 will come after the 6. So you will write the 7. And the other number lines you will do in the same way. Come on the page number 25. Page number 25. Do you know what is the symbol of this? And what is the symbol of this? What is the symbol of this? You learned in prep class? Okay. Now in first class, in class first, you also read this. Can you tell me? How many mangoes are here? And on the right hand side, how many mangoes are here? Here are 5 mangoes. 5 mangoes. And these are 2 mangoes. Which are more? Which are more in number? 5 mangoes are more in number. So 5 mangoes are greater than 2 mangoes. So you will write 5 more than 2. Or just reciprocal of this number, 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than small. 2 is less than 5. You will write like this. If 5 is greater than 2, simultaneously 2 is less than 5. Like the mangoes, you will do the same work in rest of the pictures. Here are 4 aeroplanes and here are 3 aeroplanes. Which is more? Which one is more? This one. This side, left hand side is more, so you will make the symbol of greater than. 4 aeroplanes are greater than 3 aeroplanes. Now come on page number 26. Like greater than, you will write the less than. This is the symbol of less than. Less than means smaller. Less than. How many balls are here? Here are 3 balls. Here are 3 balls. On this side, how many balls are here? 6 balls. On which side? Less balls. This side, there are 3 balls. So this is less than. This is less than this is less than 6 balls. You will write 3 less than 6. 3 less than 6. On this page, you have to count and draw the symbol of less than. Page number 27. Open page number 27. Here is the symbol of equal to. What you will call this? Equal to. Equal to. Equal to. Here count these pictures. These are caps. How many caps are here? 3 caps. And here also 3 caps. Both are in the same number. When the object is in the same number, then you will put the symbol of equal to. This is the symbol of equal to. Upper side 1 slipping line and lower side 1 slipping line. You will make the equal to symbol like this. On page number 28, greater than, less than and equal to. I am sure now you are able to understand how to recognize the greater symbol, less than symbol and equal to symbol. You will do it on this page. And the same work you have to do on this page, page number 29. And on the page number 38, I am giving you one example. In these pictures, first of all, you have to count the pictures, then write the number and then put the symbols of greater than, less than and equal to. But in this work, here are numbers already written here. You have to recognize that number, whether it is smaller or whether it is bigger. Then you will put the symbol of greater than, less than and equal to. Here I am giving you one example. This is 61 and 68. You will check the first number. The first number is 6. Here is also the first number is 6. And at this side, the second number is 1. The second number is 8. Which is bigger? 8 is bigger. So 68 is bigger number. So and 61 is lesser number. So 61 is less than 68. Remember one thing, I am giving you a clue how you will write the number which is smaller. This point will show on that side. 61 is smaller, so this point will comes on this side. So this is less than 61 is less than 68. One example also 47 and 74. It is little bit confusing, but as I told you, you will first check first number. This is 4. This is 7. So at the first place, you can easily recognize the 4 is smaller number and 7 is bigger number. So 74 is bigger number, greater number. And as I already told you, the number which is lesser, the point will show towards the lesser number. So this is less than. How you will read this? 47 is less than 74. Or you will say this 74 is greater than 47. Just opposite this. So you will do all the work on your book. Here is an exercise which you will do. When it is in the previous question, the numbers were written there. But when a sentence is any sentence is written, how you will recognize greater than or less than? Suppose this is written 5 is greater than the symbol. This is greater than symbol. 5 is greater than 3. how you will write this sentence in the way of numbers. 5, you will read this. This is 5 number. 5 is greater than, you know the symbol of greater than number, greater than. 5 is greater than 3. You will write like this. So all of these questions you will do in the same manner. Here what comes before and what comes after, as you know, the left hand side number comes before and the right side of the number comes after. So it is the number 5, the left side 4 and the right side 6. You will do all of them. Children, I will give you some worksheets on based on the work which I taught you today. You will do it in a better way. First of all, you have to practice for the number names, greater than, less than sign, equal to sign, and making a group of any object. Till then, bye.